Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, DG Art, and in today's video, before I start, I just want to tell I'm sorry that I uploaded the video late. I know it's like super late, like it's like been 2 months or 1 month. I didn't actually check it properly, but I know that it was late because I cannot remember the time I last time uploaded the video. But anyways, I'm sorry. But the thing was that I made a 15 minutes tutorial on this, and then sadly, unfortunately, it was lost. I don't know how. I didn't delete it or it got deleted by itself, but there's no chance it can be deleted by itself. So I don't know. I'm not actually sure because I know that I didn't delete it. I'm literally sure, but I don't know. But now I cannot bring it back, so I'm making it again. I know that I could have made it before. I had a lot of time, but I had, but then I don't know, I didn't make it. So now I'm back. Okay, I promise I'll make a video every week. Actually, I said it every time, but I don't even like fulfill it. But I hope that this time I do it. I'm trying out my best. Actually, I have a lot of time, so. But anyways, this video will be so long if I spend so much time in the intro. This video is about the tutorial again, but I don't know if you guys want it or not because most of you guys know what it is. And thanks for the views and everything. I actually got how much, like 140 or 130 views on my second video, which you guys I think pretty liked much, because actually I was thinking that a 5 minute tutorial would be long and then no people would watch. But then like there's no normally what happens is that with YouTubers the first video is the most popular because it's the first video and most of people use it. But the thing is that I didn't get it because it was a coloring video, and then what would you get from coloring? So that's why I stopped it. I told you I'm starting to Autodesk Sketchbook. I started the pen up brushes tutorial because tutorials help more if you want to know about pen up. But now I just stopped it because I'm in love with Autodesk Sketchbook. I already made a lot of drawings, but I couldn't record it. I had time. I could record it and just bring it to you guys. But the thing is that I don't know. I just forgot. I didn't get it in mind, and then I later was like I just later thought that why didn't I record it. I would make another video more than other than the tutorial. But okay, I don't know how much long has that been. Did I spend too much time in the intro? You guys would be like skipping the seconds and like thinking why am I talking too much. Okay, I know I'm talking too much chatterbox, but let's get into video. Okay, so this video is about the tutorials about Autodesk Sketchbook. Most of you guys know, but I just made it because people search it and then they don't know. So this is the actually like kind of the menu bar. Here you can start a new sketch. Okay, you can choose like the last one or the screen. I don't know, you can make a custom one. How much size do you want? If you want it small, big, very big, anything. Okay, it doesn't have that much. You can go to the gallery and see the drawings. I was working on this. It looks so I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I made a Puma trouser. It didn't get out that good because it's black and I couldn't put the foldings. This one is folding. Yeah, this was a top I made, and then this was a girl standing. I don't know why it didn't turn out that good. But anyways, I'm gonna go back. Okay. So this is the menu bar. Here is the I don't know, like kind of the geometrical type of box. Here you can do a selection. I actually will draw anything with the marker. For example, I drawed a face. Okay, this is, I know, very bad. Okay, this is ill. Ew. I don't know, that's not even a word, but this doesn't look that good. I know it's not a drawing, like that's a stickman type of thing. It's like so bad, but I just want you guys to explain because this looks so bad. Oh my goodness, I'm so ew, that smile, oh my goodness. But I'm just gonna show you guys. Selection is the point where you like select a part of a drawing, and then you can only color it in that. Like if I take black color and not black, I'll choose another color. Okay, pink face. I don't know, I'm just doing it. So actually you can't go, like I'm doing it over here. You can go out of that because you selected a part you have to color. So it'll be easier if you don't want the colors to get somewhere else. Like if you're coloring on a face, you don't want to get it on the body, you can erase it or like color over it, but then like it helps me a lot, especially me. I use that. So yes, this is the selection tool. This is your transform. Actually, we never used it, but if I use it someday, I'll show you in the next video. But fill, this is the fill option. I know most of you guys would know, but I'll still tell you. Like, this fills a part. Oh my goodness, this will be background because it was open. But if you like close the arms, then it will work. Oh, that's why. And I'm not gonna waste too much time on this. These are the guys. You have rulers, like type of the protectors and everything. There's the symmetry line. You can symmetry, like the straight line between. Draw styles. You have some circles. If you want to draw a face, you can just take a circle and then draw the face. Predictive stroke. Import image. If you want to select an image and put it on this to like as a reference to see and draw it, you can put it over here from the gallery. It'll come by itself. Perspective guides, I also never use this. Text in, I know you can like write something over the drawing. Actually, I don't actually use that much, but still, I think is this is the time lapse recording, so it'll record everything. And then if I want to actually, I actually use not normal. Why am I so clumsy? I'm like so okay. I'm taking a break. Time lapse is the one that if you're recording, I actually use an app for screen recording, but this one can record it and then it'll record a time lapse. I don't have to edit the video in like fast motion. Okay, so this is the one. I'm not gonna spend the mind because I know I already wasted too much time in the intro. I don't know how long it's going to be. I'm so scared if you guys are going to watch it or not. But this is the library. I'm not gonna spend that much time. These are the basic. I added this eraser and the inking pen over here because I want everything I use normally, because I use inking pen, eraser like very much. These are the things I use very much, like in all of my drawings. Not almost, like I use in all of my drawings. You know how eraser use, and inking pen is like for calligraphy or something. I have a surprise for you at the end of the video. I'll tell you guys, okay? This is the basic part. I added these two as I told you, but this is normal if you start the app new and you have the basic things what you need, like fine liners, eraser, texture eraser, pastels, smudge pen, airbrush, everything. You have the legacy that you use actually commonly, not that much. Texture essentials, like if you want some textures. Copic, Copic, the brand, so famous. Okay, you have the Copic final, like they just made the digital. Okay, I'm not gonna spend it as my synthetic paint. These are the brushes you can use for paint. Traditional, everybody uses this. Pencils, eraser, fine liner, everything. Fine arts, you have all the pencils. Half tone are the textures, polka dots and everything. Texture, okay, those are not textures actually, the patterns. If I can show you guys actually. You see how good that is? Oh wow, it looks so good. If you're making a clothes and then you want the design, oh my goodness, sorry. Yeah, if you want the design, you can use it. And textures, you can use it for like this. Like if you want that type of texture on your pants, or if you're making a shirt or anything, they just added it because you can need it anyway. Shapes, yeah, I haven't tried this one, but it would be good, I guess. That one looks like a plant one. Yeah, feathery. Yeah, if you're drawing a bird, that would be so helpful. Bird, no, any animals, but mostly birds have feathers, and other animals have fur or something else. Okay, but anyways, platter. Actually, what is this? Sorry for that. I don't know. Okay, these are this platter. If I actually used it for my thumb pin, in my thumb pin I changed it actually a long time ago, but I wanted it to be painted. I painted it, so splatters. Okay, you have some splatters of the paint. Okay, why am I clicking this? Glow, smudge. Okay, I'm not gonna explain that much because glow is the glow one. Smudge for the smudges. Designer is normally when you design something. Okay, artist. You know what artists use normally is like drawing pencils, regular things, basics. Pastels, if you want like chalk pastels, if you want the texture or anything. If you're making a like in charcoal, you used charcoal to make drawings sometimes. It's like that. Okay, colorless is like the colorless, but I think it smudges. I never used it before, so yes. This is the color bar. You can choose the color over here like blue, and then you can lighten it or darken it. You can either darken it from here, but then if you want the exact color, but like the darker shade, because this would be royal blue and this would be blue or light blue, I don't know. But you can use the Copic colors, the one that Copic made, like in the alcohol based markers, the Copic markers. And the colors that those have are here. Illustration, design, you whatever you want, you can use it. This is the layers part. You can add layers. I actually use layers. I think most of you guys or everyone use layers because it's so helpful. If you don't know, then I'll explain it in the next video, because I think this one is going to be too long. But this is the hide menu where everything would be gone, but then except that, because if you want to put it again, you don't know where to click, right? So if you want it again, the menu bar, because if you want to choose some colors, you have to see that. If it's disturbing for you, if you want to make a drawing at the top of, it's when coloring over there, and then it will actually go by itself. But like if you want to do it fully, like not temporary, because it says temporary only when I'm coloring, I can use them, and then I leave the pen, this comes again. So that is the tutorial for you. I hope you guys liked it. I know I said I have a surprise. So I was saying that this is my channel is actually named DigiArt. I just made the short form Digi because I actually searched for some channels of digital art, and there were like a lot of one named digital art. So I wanted anything to be different, because if it would be same, you guys actually it will be same and then it won't look that nice. And I wanted my channel to be different, not like same as others, so like people wouldn't watch my channel. I didn't get that much views. So I searched for DigiArt, there was not that much, so I thought, why wouldn't I use this? So the surprise is that digital art I'm gonna continue. But then I was like thinking, you guys tell me in the comments that do you want me to make like more not like anything other than anything separated, or other than digital art, like normal drawings, if you want real life drawings. Because I am also learning like bodies and everything. I actually made a lot of, and I actually love drawing. The people who love art can do anything. They're like making so much. You can find more videos too. I actually also learned it from videos, but I will just show you guys how they are. Just make it, because why would other people make, like there's so many videos, why did people make if there was only one video? Everyone had a different style, and then yeah, I just wanted to make it. So I comment down below, I think that I should make anything different, like you guys know calligraphy, because I didn't know it before, and then now I know it. Like I know it for like almost 1 year, okay? And then I love it. If you want calligraphy, actually there's more videos, so good videos. I learned it from videos. I learned everything from videos. That's why I'm making videos, so you guys also can learn from me, because I have a different way maybe, and other people write it a different way. So my way is actually different, maybe. I don't know it's different or not, because I actually think because everybody has a different way. So I would like, tell me in the comments actually, that if you would like calligraphy or designs or bullet journaling, because I just started it. I don't know, for a long time. I don't know, I watched videos and then I wanted to do bullet journaling, but I don't know why I didn't do it. But anyways, my video will be too long. I hope you like this video. If you did, smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and just comment down below, share the video if you want to, and just yeah, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video. I hope I can post videos every week, but yeah, bye guys.